Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to protect your content and grow your brand? In this video, I will show you how to create a custom YouTube watermark using Canva. Step by step, perfect for beginners in 2025. First of all, head over to canva.com and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, sign up. It's completely free. Once you are in, click the plus icon. Then choose custom size from the drop down. Set the dimensions to 150, height 150 pixel, select pixel, or 300 and 300 pixel. A small square shape works best for watermarks. Now it's time to create your watermark. Upload your logo or channel initials, or you can make your logo from here. Like, go to Elements tab, choose a round circle shape, then resize it and point it to center. Now change the color like red, and add text like your channel name. Go to text and add a text box. Now enter your channel name. Now resize the text, change the font style like horizon. Then you can choose the font like signature, search for signature here, and select one from here and resize the text. And drag it onto your canvas. Change the font color from here. Now you can add your image from your computer. Go to Uploads tab, then upload your photos, then adjust the photo. Click the three dot icon and align to her. Click layer, bring up or from here you can choose another picture, or for if you are pro user, just upload your photo, then remove your background, image background. Then click the canvas and then select background color, then click black. Now click the red color and reduce the opacity. Then once you are done, click share. Then click download. From here, click PNG format and make sure to check the transparent background box. Note this option is available with Canva Pro. You can use the free trial if needed. Now go to YouTube Studio after downloading the photo. Go to YouTube Studio from your youtube.com and click the profile icon, then click Studio. Scroll down, go to Settings, click Channel, then Advanced Settings, click Manage your YouTube account or find the Customize button from here. Click Channel Status and Features. From the Settings tab or go to Customization. Now scroll down to Video Watermark and click Upload. Go to your file section like Files or find your photo, downloaded photo like that. A minute, then upload your photo, then done. Choose when you want the watermark to show at the end of this video. Start of video or entire video. Customize start time. Tips: keep it in a small and subtle. Don't block content. Use transparent background. Avoid using too many colors. Make sure it's consistent with your brand. Pros: protects your video from copying, boosts channel branding, acts as its subscribe button, requires Canva Pro for transparency, can be distracting if not designed it well, and that's how you create a watermark for your YouTube videos using Canva. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more details, and let me know in the comments if you want a full branding setup guide for YouTube. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.